Hi, today in art we're going to make a sunflower. It's our theme. Next couple of weeks is growing, so I thought we'd make a nice sunflower. So ideally you need some yellow, some orange and some green paper. If you haven't got that and you just got white paper, just use white paper and colour it in if you can. If you can't and it's all white, it's all right. All white is all right. If that's the case, you can just make sure it's a daisy. So that's okay. It's important to have our scissor skills. Remember holding our scissors with our thumb and our finger in there like that. Okay, not like this and not like this. Okay, thumb, finger, opening and closing like that. So, first of all, we're going to start with our orange, and I need to make this into a circle. So I've got something round, I've got a little candle holder. I'm going to put on there, I'm going to hold it down, make sure it doesn't move, and then draw round like this. And there is our circle. So now I can cut it out. So I'm going to cut there. Don't forget, we're going to turn the paper like this. And paper's turning, not the scissors. There we go. You can all have a go at this. You don't need any help. And there's our circle. There we go. Don't need that. Put that over there. So here's our circle. Then we need a stem. Remember, the thing that comes down is called a stem. I'm going to use some green for this. Like this. I'm going to draw. I don't want it. You can do it straight, or you can do it with a little bit of a bend in it. Make it reasonably thick. If you want to stand your flower up, use card. So cut that like that. Like that. And this is our stalk. So I put some glue on the end. Like that. And then stick that under there. That's the start of our flower. Next, I'm going to use more of this green and do a couple of leaves. I'm going to go. That's quite a tricky shape to draw, but have a go. And then leaves have this line down the middle, kind of like veins, they're called. Like that. Do another one. If you're not sure, go outside and get some leaves from the garden or the park and look at them. Have a look really carefully at them and see what they look like. See if you can copy them. Look for the little lines on the leaves. There's one. There you go, there's two. Now I'm going to put one there and one there. So that's looking better. Now we're going to make the petals. What we need is strips of paper. So now take your post-it or yellow piece of card and just cut long lines, and you could do them all being the same length. It's all the same. That's stuck down there. There you go. So keep cutting. I think we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. And what we do, put a little bit of glue on the end, like that, and fold it over. So you have a little loop like that. And then this is going to go, turn your flower over. It's going to go, start at the top. There. These are the petals. So keep working round with the petals. So glue, loop, glue, stick. Keep doing this. I need a song about flowers. I don't know a song about flowers, I think. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we did too many. That doesn't matter. You can always make some more and make a little garden. I think maybe 2 more. What do you think? Yeah, 1 more. And there we go. Turn it over, and there is our flower. What do you think? We've got petals, stem, and leaves. There's our flower. Good work, everybody. Try and make one. Make some more if you can. You can have a black in the middle if you want rather than orange. Nice pretty colours on the outside. You could do a pattern on the outside. Round the top if you wanted to. Some leaves and a stem. Well done.